Hi, so this video is about learning characters and Cantonese at the same time. I have this new tablet to help teaching. So this is a book I brought from local bookstore. If you live in Hong Kong, you will have many chance that you will see some interesting book cover with big Chinese characters. So let's see what it is about. So it is kind of a self-help book. So you will see this is actually the book title, 想死不如健身. So it's only 6 words. Alright, so this is 想死 is you want to die. 想死不如is a connector, like why not? Why not? If you want to die, why not? 健身. Alright, so 健身 you probably know is to work out from this photo. So 健, we would say in the past, we would say 健 is somebody very healthy. So nowadays you can also call it athletes, like those people who are good at doing sports. 健怡. Okay, so then we have health, healthy, being healthy. 健康係啦 healthy. Right. So 身 so it's our body. 身體. Oh, okay, the traditional characters. Oh, 身體. And then if you say the new year, you wish people 身體健康. Alright, so let's see the Romanisation here. Oh, the first word, 想死. If you want to die, 想死啊你. So it's sometimes your mom is angry with you, she will say 想死啊你. So like, you want to die? Huh? 不如 this one 不如 不如 why not 不如 健身 workout is a verb. 健身 so like work out your body. 健身 and then other extended words would be 健康 alright, so let's see again. 想死不如健身. Alright, so this book is about encouraging people to work out more, because if you work out, then you are happy. 健康, then you are not worried, so you don't want to die. 係啦，唔會想死啦, you will not want to die. Okay, so we'll stop here. Hope you enjoyed this video.